Hello, as you study in business college, you should have a background about commercial negotiation. So, today we will discuss commercial negotiation. In this lecture, we will discuss why negotiation with suppliers, how can you evaluate supplier performance, and how can you develop the relation with suppliers. Business organization, whether in different type, size, and nature of its activities, often resort to commercial negotiation to resolve disputes or to reach an agreement. Commercial negotiation takes many different forms, such as negotiation with suppliers, with competitive organization, with financial institution, with government agency, with means of publication, and so on. So, success of purchasing or procurement manager in negotiation increases his chance of dealing with the changing variables, especially in international materials markets, and also increasing his ability to achieve the objective of material management function in the organization. What is the measures of purchasing objective from negotiation? Purchasing or procurement manager negotiates to achieve the following objectives. First, commitment to delivery dates. It's essential or imperative that negotiates the schedule and delivering dates on order to or dates of orders according to the production and manufacturing requirements. Second, commitment to specified specification. Negotiator or purchasing manager seeks to get sufficient insurance or sufficient guarantee for certain specification of materials and items. Third, commitment to specified quantities. Purchasing manager negotiates to specified quantities according to the operating and production needs. 4. Get right price. Price is the most important issue in commercial negotiation, and the negotiator or negotiation team face many difficulties in reaching a good or appropriate price. Also, which they try to satisfy all the parties of negotiation. 5. Support and develop the relation with suppliers. Getting good relations and satisfying quantity with specified specification needs supporting the development of the relation between the suppliers. Also, management of maintains these relations aims to ensure the continuation of dealing with the supplier and gains more confidence. What are the parties of negotiation? Negotiation to purchasing include mainly manager of purchasing in addition to representative of purchasing management, representative of supplier, representative of marketing management and financial management, and also representative of production management and others. When the organization negotiates or why the organization negotiates with the supplier. Organization negotiates with suppliers in cases of buying in large quantity, long-term supply contracts, purchase of equipment, when renewing the existing contract or contracting new conditions, in case of monopoly of supply, when there is a single supplier or limited number of suppliers. Also, in case of increasing demand for supply and dominates the seller's market, in case of purchase finished parties to provide the needs of establishment of these parties when it's necessary to terminate the contract with supplier is resort to negotiation before resorting to legal means. How can you choose between the suppliers? Negotiators seek to get the best terms, good condition of supplying, so he collects more and more information about the available or potential suppliers and prepares a list of them to choose the most efficient supplier. To judge the efficiency of suppliers, negotiator can depend on the following criteria. First, productive capability of supplier, financial resources of supplier, human capability and administrative competence of supplier, technical capability of supplier, quality of service, commitment to delivery date, and others. Others mean additional criteria such as capability of transportation, for example, or capability of inspection. Evaluating supplier performance. Manager of purchasing evaluate the current performance of all potential suppliers and then negotiate with the supplier who selects. The evaluation depends on several factors. The most important are three: price, quantity, service. Let's discuss the difficulty of evaluating the supplier's performance. 1. A strong personal relationship between supplier and buyers. Small quantities of some items may not justify the cost and effort involved the evaluating of supplier's performance. Management's policy may prefer to deal through exchange or barter. Management may prefer to deal with a specific source of supply as its geographical location or having great operational potential or using modern technology in production. 5. Top management may prefer to deal with specific source of supply. What is the role of negotiator in developing the relation with suppliers? 1. Mutual confidence between the buyer and supplier. Mutual understanding of conditions and problem of dealing between them. Clarity in the dealing between the parties support the communication system and continue cooperation between the two parties. 5. Mutual care of the common interest between the all parties. Continuous improvement in the terms of supply between the two parties to achieve common interests between them. Thank you.